Doing a leak down check on some new motors I just got in from the UK, and I had some concerning numbers on one of them. I can't really see there, but it's reading 88 psi on one cylinder, which is a little low considering a few of the others are up in the high 90s. So, little tech tip: get you a plastic or wooden dowel, put it right on the edge of the lifter, and give it a little tap. We're up to about 92%, which isn't too bad. We'll try it again. And we're up to 94% now. So you get a little bit of carbon buildup or corrosion on those valve seats, and it won't seat real well. So next time you're doing a leak down and you think you might have problems, give that a whirl. Also check your valve lash. That'll sometimes hold those open. That's an indication that your valve seats might be hammered or you're starting to tool up the valve. Could be a few things to give you a low leak down besides the rings. So I always like a leak down over compression check because it gives you the health of the motor and a number that you can quantify, and also let you know where the problem is, whether it's valve or rings or things of that nature. So hope it helps.